Feeling stressed out lately? What if I told you a simple cup of tea could help you find your calm? Today, we're diving into the incredible world of Holy Basil, also known as Tulsi. This isn't your regular Italian basil. This is a powerhouse herb from India, revered for centuries for its amazing health benefits. So, what makes Tulsi so special? First off, it's a fantastic adaptogen. That is a fancy word, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress and promotes a sense of calm and relaxation. If you're constantly feeling overwhelmed, a warm cup of Tulsi tea might just become your new best friend. It's like a little moment of peace in a cup, but the benefits don't stop there. When cold and flu season hits, Tulsi has your back. Traditionally, it's been used to support the immune system and ease symptoms like coughs and colds. Its natural antimicrobial properties make it a great ally for respiratory health, helping you breathe a little easier. Now, let's talk about your body's engine room. Holy basil may also play a role in metabolic support. Some studies suggest it can help with maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, which are fantastic for your overall wellness from head to toe. This means it helps protect your cells from damage and keeps inflammation in check. And what about your heart and gut? The goodness continues. There's evidence to suggest Tulsi can support healthy cholesterol levels and aid in digestion. A happy gut often means a happy you, and this herb can gently support your digestive system. So, how can you add this amazing herb to your routine? The easiest and most popular way is by drinking Tulsi tea. Just 1 to 2 cups a day is a great way to start. You can find it in most health food stores. You can also use fresh leaves in your cooking, or find it in extract or supplement form. Of course, it's really important to remember that I'm not a doctor, and this isn't medical advice. It's always best to chat with a healthcare professional before adding any new herb to your routine, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking any medications. They can give you the best advice for your personal health journey. So, are you ready to give Holy Basil a try? It's a simple, natural way to support your body and mind. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.